Last topic, some special cases. Here, of course, fifth topic. Up to fourth topic we saw. Next, last topic, fifth, some special cases. In that topic, draw a square reed with area is given 5.1 centimeter. Here, only one side is given, but square. What is by square? In a square, each angle is 90 degree. Adjacent sides are equal. That you have to know. Diagonals are equal. Diagonal bisect, perpendicular bisect each other. Okay, this was property, remember you. So here draw RE 5.1 centimeter. Then take at point R. Make a 90 degree angle. Perspective by using compass. Again, at a point E, draw a 90 degree angle using compass. Suitable distance. Each arc is 60 degree angle make. So again, bisect these arcs, we will get 30 degree. Means this 60 and this 30, total 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Again, this is 90 degree. Again, you have to give on side 5.1 centimeter. So take in a compass 5.1 centimeter distance and R as a center. Draw an R which made 90 degree angle at R, which intersects at point D. Similarly, with center E and make an R which made a length 90 degree angle intersects at A. So all the sides are equal and angles is also 90 degree. So join AD, you will get a reed READ as a rectangle square as per your measurement. It is the required square. Okay. Next example. Same. Draw a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Upon your steps of construction given. Draw AC 5.2 centimeter. We know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So first draw the any one diagonal. Here 5.2 centimeter diagonal AC. Then bisect AC. How to bisect each and everyone knowing. Then and then I am telling method. Take more than half distance of AC in a compass. A as a center. Draw an R both the sides. Again C as a center. Same distance, same radius. Make an arc to intersect the first arc. You will get this perpendicular bisector of AC. This is the perpendicular bisector of AC, which meets AC at O. Okay. Now next point is on 6.4. Half of this is 3.2. Why half? Because we know that diagonals bisect each other. So you take the half of this 3.2. So O as the center and radius 3.2 centimeter. Draw an R to make intersect the perpendicular bisector at B above the AC and same at D below the AC. Then join AD, CD, CB and AB. Then you will get ABCD is the required rhombus. Next example. Draw a parallelogram OKAY, where OK is 5.5 centimeter and K is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Again only two sides are given. Parallel. Only two sides are given. So this is special case. I already told there are 10 elements, then 50% no, then and then we drop. But here using these properties we have to remind what given and what not given. Because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Using these properties you have to complete this construction. First draw OK, 5.5 centimeter. Then angle is not given here, only K is given, 4.2 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Then draw a line segment OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Draw an angle of 90 degree. Here again 90 degree at K. And draw an arc of radius 4.2. Not necessary. Okay, 90 degree angle. After draw a rectangle this is given here. Particular rectangle. Capital is given here rectangle. So take a 90 degree at K. How to make 90 degree? Again you have to know it. Suitable distance in a compass. Make an arc. First arc will be 60 degree angle. Second will be 60 degree angle. Again bisect this. You will get 30 degree. Means this 60 and this 30 total 90 degree. You will get at point K 90 degree angle. Take 4.2 centimeter compass in a distance in a compass. K as a center. Make an arc which intersect at A, which on the angle 90 degree at A point. Similarly, opposite sides are equal. So, O as a center, draw an arc. Of course, that is 4.2 centimeter. And now, take 5.5 centimeter in a compass. O as a center, draw an arc to intersect the first arc at Y. And so, join AY, OY. You will get OK is the required rectangle. OKAY. In this way, we completed all the 5 topics. Do it at home, practice. Any doubts, you can ask me any media. Again for more practice, you can solve textbook questions. I am also giving some assignments. Do it home, practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.